Today, I am reviewing Dell G16 630 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell G16 630 gaming laptop is a machine that combines raw power, sleek design, and advanced features to deliver an incredible gaming and productivity experience. Right out of the box, it makes a strong impression with its quantum white finish, giving it a clean yet premium look that stands out from the usual dark-colored gaming laptops. It's built to be solid and durable, weighing about 6.3 pounds, which is quite reasonable considering the high-end hardware it carries inside. This laptop has been designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who want a system that can handle everything from AAA games to heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. At the core of the Dell G16 is the 13th generation Intel Core i9-13900HX processor, which is one of the most powerful laptop CPUs available today. With 24 cores, 32 threads, and turbo boost speeds reaching up to 5.4 GHz, this processor is capable of tackling anything you throw at it, from the most demanding modern games to intensive workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, or programming. To complement the CPU, Dell has equipped this laptop with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR5 memory. This GPU is more than capable of running the latest titles at high frame rates, with ray tracing and DLSS technology providing both stunning visuals and smoother performance. The combination of the i9 and RTX 4070 makes the Dell G16 a true performance powerhouse that's ready for both gaming and professional-grade tasks. Performance is further boosted by the inclusion of 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which ensures smooth multitasking even when you're running multiple applications or browser tabs alongside your games. The RAM can also be expanded up to 64 GB, giving you more headroom if your needs grow over time. Storage is handled by a blazing fast 1 TB NVMe SSD, which means near-instant boot times, rapid loading of large files, and plenty of space for your growing game library. Together, these specs make the Dell G16 capable of delivering not just speed, but also the kind of consistency and stability that gamers and professionals need. The display is another major highlight of this laptop. It features a 16-inch QHD Plus panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, offering sharp visuals and a taller 16:10 aspect ratio that gives you more vertical space for both gaming and productivity tasks. The display supports a 240Hz refresh rate with a 3-millisecond response time, ensuring buttery smooth gameplay, especially in fast-paced competitive titles where every frame counts. On top of that, NVIDIA G-Sync support eliminates screen tearing, while 100% DCI P3 color accuracy makes the screen just as appealing for content creators who demand accurate colors for photo or video editing. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, the screen quality is outstanding and helps the laptop feel like a premium device. Of course, a powerful laptop like this needs excellent cooling to maintain performance under heavy load, and Dell has taken inspiration from its Alienware lineup to design an advanced thermal system for the G16. The laptop uses 4 heat pipes, ultra-thin fan blades, and optional vapor chamber technology to keep temperatures in check during long gaming sessions. This design ensures stable frame rates and prevents the CPU and GPU from throttling under stress. Gamers know how critical reliable cooling is, and Dell has clearly prioritized it here. Audio on the Dell G16 is equally impressive. The stereo speakers powered by Dolby Audio provide clear highs, strong mids, and immersive sound that enhances both games and movies. For those who communicate online, whether through streaming or multiplayer voice chat, the laptop also includes AI-driven noise cancellation, which helps filter out background noise and ensures your voice comes through clearly. Combined with a 720p webcam and dual-array microphones, it's a setup that works well for video calls, streaming, and online collaboration. The keyboard and connectivity options are also worth noting. The backlit keyboard not only looks great, but also makes it easier to game or work in low-light conditions. As for ports, The Dell G16 is well equipped with USB 3.2 ports, a Thunderbolt 4 port with DisplayPort support, an HDMI 2.1 port for connecting to high refresh rate monitors, Ethernet for stable wired connections, and of course, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast wireless connectivity. Whether you're gaming online, transferring files, or hooking up external displays, this laptop gives you all the flexibility you need. What makes the Dell G16 particularly appealing is that it isn't just a gaming laptop, it's also a versatile workstation. Its hardware is powerful enough for demanding creative workflows like 3D modeling, video production, or music creation, making it an excellent choice for people who need a machine that can do more than just play games.